So guys, if you want to know how I made these yummy peppered banana pancakes, you can see how they are looking. So yummy, so sweet. So delicious. Please watch my video for the full recipe. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe, I'm making these peppered banana pancakes. You'll be wondering what is pepper doing in pancake, but most times I like adding pepper to my pancake to kill down the sweetness. And of course, you know I'm using banana, and banana is so sugary. So this pepper will help me to kill the taste. So guys, this is my flour here: banana, egg, sugar, milk, cinnamon, my yellow pepper, salt, and baking powder. First of all, I'll just measure the dry ingredients, then I'll now add the wet ingredients. So I'm going to be measuring 2 cups of flour. I always say sieve your flour because of any weevil or dirt that will be in the flour, because you don't know where it was packed. So this is the second, you have to level it up. This is the second cup. Then I'll add the dry ingredients. This is the cinnamon. I'll add the baking powder, then salt. I'll mix everything together. And I'll set it aside. Then for the other ingredients, I'm going to be blending. So I'm using 2 eggs. We're using 2 bananas, 2 medium-sized bananas. Just add it into the blender. And I'll pour in the milk. Then I'll be adding some vegetable oil. So I'm adding vegetable oil. You can use melted butter for this. Sorry, I didn't tell you when I was saying the ingredients for this. Then I'll be adding some sugar. Don't add too much sugar because of the sweetness of the banana. When this is done, I will now blend. So guys, this is the blended puree banana milk and others. You add gently and then keep stirring and keep adding until you get the consistency that you want. If it's not enough, you can add water, because this batter shouldn't be too thick, neither should it be too watery. So adding the chopped pepper, you can see it has added color to this, but don't add too much of it. So add the remaining, and I'll keep on stirring. So guys, this is what we have. You can see it's not too thick and it's not too runny. So now we'll start frying. I'll go back to the gas cooker now, and then we'll start frying. Guys, the pan is on the fire now. Get your brush, get your vegetable oil, your butter or your oil spray, and then rub it so it doesn't stick to your frying pan. And to get a good result, you have to use a non-stick pan for this. So guys, you will know that this thing is already cooking very well. When you see the bubbles coming out like this, then you now flip it over for the other side to cook very well. So this is what we have. You can see how fine the back is. So guys, if you have watched me up to this moment, you have not hit the like button, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. And thank you for following me. Keep liking my videos and give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you all. So guys, it's okay now, and I'm going to take it out and I'll continue until I finish. So I'll just take it out and I'll continue with the rest. So guys, you can see we are done with our peppered banana pancakes. You can see how fine it's looking. So guys, I'm done. You can see our peppered banana pancake, how it is looking so fine. You can take this with oatmeal. You can take this with green tea. Just try yours, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.